Okay, so periodic table worksheets you should be able to do no problem. Then flip to page 6. This should be all review, so you can do that as well. This page here, some of you will be able to jump in it and get going with it. Some of you may not. I will actually do a practice, homework, instructional video on this. So if you don't feel comfortable with this, don't do it right now. You should be able to do it by Monday. Then you need to also look at page 8. Based on what you've done so far on the periodic table, you should be able to do this. Then, of course, we got to practice some more percent error. You'll notice I gave you the answers here as well. Then you're going to skip. This page right here is a tool for you. You do not have to use it. It is there so that you may choose to use it. It lays out important information to know about each of the 8 major groups. You do not know all of it yet, but you will. Then, keep flipping through the packet. This page here, you may choose to use this or this to be placed in your daily book. This summarizes the 3 subatomic particles. We have not done this yet, so don't worry about that, but you have done this. Then, place this in your daily book. This will come probably next week or the week after. This will summarize your notes and make it easy to study. This should also be put in your notes. This is a good summation of the laws that we'll be doing. This is also a good test review tool. This page here. I cannot tell you how important this page is. This page needs to be placed somewhere on your periodic table. This needs to be placed in your composition book. Most of my students put it on the back. You cannot have notes around this. You will be filling this in probably in 2 weeks. You will have to have this to do the names, to do everything else in here. So put this in the back of your composition book so you may use it on test day. If you put notes around it, you cannot use this on the test. So put this in the back, away from everything else, and we'll fill this in later. That concept for putting it in a certain spot away from notes goes for this as well. This is important, highly important. So make sure you put this where you can access as well. This one's in the same bracket as those other 2. You want to place it where you can access it on day of test. If you do not put it on the day, put it where you can access it without having notes around it, you will not get to use it. Okay, have a great day.